This is the upright Rollator walker. It's a very nice walker. Has a lot of adjustments here. You can adjust the arm length with a very simple clasp here. Just pull that out, adjust the angle. Both sides, of course. Has some very nice brakes on it. You just depress them gently and it has a solid lock. And the other thing is, when you want to stop and park this unit, you simply push forward all the way and it'll lock that back wheel. So you do that on both sides and your chair is not going to roll away anywhere. So it also has this really nice carrying case, and this is where you access the bar to fold it up. In terms of height, it has several notches here where you can adjust through these little pinholes and just tighten this and loosen this. And it also has adjustments here as well, so that's handy. Very nice and clean unit off of Amazon for about 180 bucks. Very comfortable armrests. And it has a very smooth feel to it. Very easy to push and maneuver. You have a cup holder, and you have a holder for your cane as well. You have these little curb assist pedals on either side for just a little more leverage in case you need to go up a steep incline. To get up, once it's locked, you simply would press here and you help push yourself out of the chair. Of course, you can use these armrests, something like that. And lastly, how we fold this thing. So there's a bar inside this storage area, and you simply pull up on the bar and it loosens the hinge here. And then you can lift the entire thing and it kind of stands like that, which is pretty cool. So it completely folds down very quickly.